is another place to lay down and relax, and usually Lila likes to lay down here. They can scratch and or clean their claws, whatever they do with their claws, and that's what happens sometimes. That's it. It's ready to sit. It's fixed. This scratching post broke on the we fixed it and it broke again, so I am tired of just fixing it. Well, we have to fix it, I guess, eventually, maybe, but I found this like position is good enough so they can scratch, so it's something different and it actually works too. And this is the rope I already replaced because that was original. This is the original, and this rope I replaced, and it works pretty good. Are you going to run? Are you going to run? That's it. Go ahead. Run more. Run more, run more. Good job, good job. You going to run? No? That's it. Show is over. And this is the playtime. When I open this drawer, they already know. And waiting, I have different toys here. Oops, this is just a stick. Yeah, this is the toy box, kind of, or drawer, toy drawer. So I have this octopus for them. I don't know if they like it much. I think I like it more than them. Here's feather. Let's see. Maple. Here's Coconut coming. He's like, I want to play too. A little lazy play, but they still like it. You still like it? So some cats playing and some are watching. Lila, Lila. Well, Lila likes another toy, which is this mouse. Come on, Lila. Well, this mouse also is Coconut favorite toy. Coconut, you like this toy too, right? Alright, well, he got mouse. That's it. Lila, you didn't play that lawn. Aww. Alright, let's pull it. Lila, you got the mouse now. No, not yet. You got it. Good job. And here somebody came from outside. And this is Mandarin. Mandarin! Now let's feed cats outside. I have stray cats living outside. Well, they live near my house for a while. There's some package delivered, so I already ate everything. There we go. And they are going to come to eat soon. They also have here cat house to hide from if there is a rainy weather, or I can open it here. So just somebody came inside, probably was laying here. It's they have a place to hide from bad weather. And there's another one, smaller. Yeah, and somebody's waiting for eating. Come here to eat. Come on. Come on. Don't be shy. Come here to eat. They also have water right here, which I change every day. here to eat. And that's how they come in to eat. Come on, food is ready. There are 5 or 6 cats usually coming to eat. Hey, Oliver. You're just chilling there, right? Lila found the bowl to sit. This bowl is very noisy. And this is Diva. She likes to come sometimes, usually in the evening, to my desk when I'm working, and she wants just some attention, some affection, some cuddling. No, she likes to be pet. Yeah, she's like, it's my time to get attention and affection. And it's perfectly fine, right? Hey, Diva. She likes to be brushed. This is Mandarin. It's his turn now to get affection, right? Hey, Mandarin. That happens during my work. This is Diva. Coconut. And I need to be careful to move my chair because Louis likes to lay down close by. So before I move my chair, I usually check for cats, any cats, but usually Louis is there. Hey Louis! Hey, how are you? Hey Mandarin! Mandarin is like, I was looking for you at the table, on the table, and what? Right. She's like, really? This is our evening. Some cats want attention. Some cats just sitting and hanging out. Some wants to play. Hey Maple. Hey boy. Lila! Lila! This is our Lila. You're just resting here, right? There is a vacuum cleaner working on background to make a little noise, but Lila looks so beautiful here, so I couldn't help myself to take a video. Lila, what are you doing? Why are you biting me? And we have one more. Pansy! Lila keep biting me, and Pansy came. Aww. You sweet girls. It almost looks like she's sitting on her. You're such a beautiful girl. You're a beautiful girl too. Morning exercise. Coconut! Coconut! You are running? Coconut! Coconut! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Good job! Good job! Pansy! You good girl. That was short exercise. Louis! Louis, you going to exercise? Come on. Yeah, she changed her mind. What are you doing there? There we go. Good job. Lila. What are you doing there, Lila? She quickly changed her spot. Now she's here. Which is normal. And who is here? And Diva is sleeping there. Meow, sorry to bother you.